So welcome to our Silent Unity prayer service for this new year, this month of January 2023. So let's begin in this beautiful way by closing our eyes together, taking a few sacred breaths, drawing in that energy of life and love and peace, God-given in every moment. And breathing out, letting that energy flow to every part of your being. Every in-breath and every out-breath, a holy breath, a holy moment, acknowledging the very activity of God working in us and through us and as us. So let us move into this time of prayer with this new year, this fresh new breath, and devote our full attention on God, the source of all vitality and inspiration we could ever need. In the beginning, God. We breathe in the expanding, glorious awareness of God. And as we breathe, peace flows like a river throughout our being. I am one with God, claiming spiritual authority over stormy thoughts and emotions. Nothing can throw me off balance. Nothing can shake me, for peace replaces all my concerns. I am now centered, calm, quiet-minded, and peaceful in the certainty of divine peace. Divine peace flows like a river throughout my being. I am the harmonious action of divine love. In the beginning, God, the harmonious power of love. Attuned to the harmony of love in my body and mind, I agree with divine love's healing and restoring power in every aspect of my life. I claim spiritual authority to be love in action, harmonizing any discords and restoring relationships. I am the harmonious action of divine love. Every part of my body, mind, and spirit celebrates divine life. I honor divine life, nourishment for my body. I honor divine ideas flourishing in my mind. I honor the fullness of life in my dreams and intentions. I command every thought to celebrate divine life and thrive. In gratitude, I see abundant blessings and possibilities. In the beginning, gratitude. I live in an ever-present awareness of blessings. I see possibility within each circumstance. I see blessings within each possibility. In any moment of need, I gratefully receive abundant divine ideas with which to prosper. In gratitude, I see abundant blessings and possibilities. My every prayerful thought blesses the world with peace. May my every breath be a prayer for peaceful solutions to our shared human concerns. In spiritual authority, I direct my thoughts to bless the human family with peaceful hearts that behold the divine within one another. May peace prevail within and all around us. And now, gently and easily, we return our awareness to our physical bodies and the space we occupy, retaining the spacious, glorious awareness of God. Breathing in and out at the close of our prayer time, in gratitude and faithful expectation. We begin a new year with heart and mind refreshed. Let us close together by reciting Unity's prayer for protection together. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is. And so it is. Amen. So have a blessed, happy, healthy, abundant new year.